Stop! Don't buy anything else for your house until you watch this entire video. Why? Because 90% of the products out there are designed to break right after the warranty expires. But at Tractor Supply, there are still items so stubborn that big corporations hate them because they are too durable for you to need to buy a second one. In 2026, we don't buy things to show off. We buy them to survive and pass them on. In this video, I will reveal the 9 most legendary items, from the iconic mechanical toolkit to the mini Jeep that you can drive until 2040. Are you ready to own the ultimate items you need to buy? Let's explore the buy list for a lifetime right now. After a $5,000 shopping spree buying a mini Jeep and camo gear, I sat down to review everything I bought at Tractor Supply. At that moment, I realized this place really excels in durability. Not everything, but there are still many high-quality items at affordable prices. In 2026, you guys have seen it too. Cheap Chinese goods are every place in the market looking shiny and fancy when first bought, but within a few months, they break, rust, fade, and become unusable. Meanwhile, traditional American items or high-quality products at Tractor Supply still maintain their incredible durability. I use it, my friends use it, and reviews online also mention it lasting for over a decade, still looking new. I spent time researching, reading hundreds of real reviews, comparing long-term costs, and personally testing some items. From there, I selected exactly 9 items that met the criteria. Price under $300, still in stock at Tractor Supply, extremely high reviews. And most importantly, we or the audience have been using it for a long time and it is truly durable. What about you? What are you most bored with? Or what breaks down the fastest in the house or garden? Comment below to let me know. Okay, that's enough now. Let's get straight to the list of the top 9 must-buy Tractor Supply items for 2026. Look at this matte black box. It's not just a storage box, it's insurance for all the mechanical troubles in your house for the next 30 years. I just pulled this DeWalt 226-piece set out of the trunk. Look, the grease stains on this super hard plastic shell are proof of the times it saved me in the middle of the night. Why the 226-piece set and not the cheap 50 or 100-piece sets out there with cheap tool sets at this torque? Either the socket will strip or your handle will bend. But with DeWalt's Chrome Vanadium CR-V steel, as I always say, steel doesn't lie, it's stubborn, it's tough, and it transmits all the force from your arm straight into the most stubborn screw. What's the craziest part? Lifetime warranty policy. It's 2026 already. Where can you find a brand that dares to commit? You break it, we replace it. That's why it is on the Buy It for Life list. Don't let the sales of buying individual items at electronic supermarkets fool you. If you buy each wrench socket and ratchet individually, the total bill will skyrocket to 3 times the price of this combo at Tractor Supply. This is an economic equation that only wise craftsmen understand. You buy it once, pay for it once, and then you completely eliminate the worry of lacking tools in the garage forever. Have you ever been fixing a car and had to run to the store just because you were missing a 10mm bolt? That feeling is really frustrating, isn't it? Please comment, "Been there," if you understand this pain, and don't forget to hit like if you are also a fan of the DeWalt yellow and black, because right after this there will be another steel monster that will amaze you. Moving on to the second item, I want to introduce you to something that may seem modest but is incredibly strong. The foldable metal table from Red Shed. You see, while modern furniture companies are trying to replace everything with recycled plastic or flimsy plywood to maximize profits, Red Shed remains loyal to the philosophy steel, steel, and steel. Pay close attention. Not a creak, not a shake. You can even stand here and jump, and the table will remain as solid as a rock. The secret lies in the fact that it has no plastic joints at all. All of it is made of thick, electrostatically painted steel, rust-resistant and scratch-resistant. Its folding joints are smooth, yet extremely sturdy. This is the definition of practicality. You can use it as a tea table in the yard, a work desk in the garage, or even a machine table for the heaviest mechanical projects. Compared to the fancy folding tables in furniture showrooms that cost twice as much but get dented with just a strong impact, This red shed table is like a silent workhorse. It doesn't need to be flashy, it just needs to do its job well for the next few decades. I know many people will think it's just a table, does it need to be deified like that? Believe me, when you own something that you know for sure will never betray you no matter how roughly you treat it, that feeling is extremely satisfying. It frees your mind from having to worry about taking care of your belongings. If you find these brass and stone items truly valuable, please hit subscribe right away because I am striving to hunt for real values in a world full of fakes for you. We just went through the group of tools and desks, the foundational items. But to truly live a sustainable buy-it-for-life lifestyle by 2026, we need more than that. Are you ready to step into a space of indulgence while still being incredibly resilient? The next section will make coffee lovers and home enthusiasts restless because it's not only durable, but also extremely luxurious. That is the furniture and lifestyle group. Let's go after the harsh metallic sounds. In the previous part, we will change the rhythm in this section, slow down a bit, be more relaxed, and focus on the feeling of enjoying a sustainable life. Leaving the greasy garage, I invite you to step into the kitchen space where we begin our peaceful mornings. Do you see this chair? From a distance, it looks like an ordinary bar stool, but let me bring the lens a little closer. This is a masterpiece from Harper & Willow, crafted from teak wood and genuine leather. Why did I put a chair on the buy once use for a lifetime list? In the world of furniture in 2026, where major brands are going crazy over MDF, which only lasts 2 to 3 years before blistering teak wood stands there like a king of durability. Teak wood contains an extremely high amount of natural oil, so much so that it has the ability to resist termites and withstand the harshest humidity without the need for a thick protective varnish. The most miraculous thing lies here. The longer you use it, the more that natural oil is released, combining with the warmth from your hands to create a glossy, deep patina that no varnish can replicate. I once bought some heavily discounted chairs online. They looked stunning, but after just a few parties with friends, the joints started to loosen. But with Harper & Willow at Tractor Supply, every time you sit down, it feels incredibly sturdy and warm. That's the difference between buying a piece of furniture and investing in a member that will witness your children's growth. Do you prefer modern metal furniture or cozy natural wood? Please leave your comments below. I'm very curious about your styles. Now let's talk about the soul of every morning coffee. You know I'm a heavy coffee addict, and I've tasted enough bitterness from those cheap plastic coffee machines, the kind that just need a little overheating for the plastic smell to permeate every cup of espresso. But when I laid my hands on the DeLonghi La Specialista Maestro at Tractor Supply, I knew I had found my true love. Just look at its all-metal structure. It's heavy, it's solid, and it exudes the professionalism of a high-end cafe right in your kitchen. While the world is going crazy, waiting 12 to 24 hours for cold brew, this machine does it in just 5 minutes thanks to its proprietary low-pressure extraction technology. The parts from the portafilter to the drip tray are all made of industrial materials, making it extremely easy to find replacement components in case of any malfunctions after 10 years of use. You might be tempted by the sales of capsule coffee machines priced at just 1/10, but let's calculate how much do the expensive plastic capsules cost annually and how much waste do they generate for the environment. With DeLonghi, you use pure coffee beans, you control all the parameters, and most importantly, this machine won't end up in the landfill after 2 years. It is a long-term investment for health and finances. A relaxed morning with a perfect cup of coffee on a sturdy teak chair. That is the true definition of prosperity in 2026. If you find this sharing useful, please give me a subscribe and hit the notification bell. YouTube's algorithms really like savvy consumers like you, and that gives me more motivation to create in-depth videos like this. We have enjoyed enough comfort indoors, but Tractor Supply is inherently a sanctuary for outdoor work. The next section will feature items that help you take control of your garden, not just planting trees, but building an extremely sustainable, self-sufficient ecosystem. Can you guess which item can withstand the sun and rain for a whole decade and still work well? Let's step out into the garden together in the gardening and self-sufficiency section right after this. We will shift the setting to an outdoor space utilizing natural light and the sounds of nature to convey a message about a free and sustainable life. Leaving the warm cup of coffee, I invite you to step into this small garden with me. Do you see those hanging baskets swaying in the gardening community of 2026? There is a harsh truth that few will tell you. The colorful plastic baskets sold in abundance during big sales at supermarkets are actually time bombs. Just after one scorching summer, the plastic will become brittle age and crumble the moment you touch it. But with Groundwork's metal hanging baskets at Tractor Supply, the story is completely different. It's not just a basket, it's a fortress protecting the greenery. Made from sturdy steel with a rust-resistant coating, this basket is ready to face acid rain or the scorching heat of July, while still maintaining its perfect shape. This is the truly valuable knowledge. The depth of the Groundwork basket is significantly greater than the standard. Why is that important? A greater depth allows you to hold more soil, meaning the roots have space to grow robustly, and the ability to retain moisture is significantly higher. You will no longer have to worry about watering the plants 3 times a day just to keep them from wilting. Buy once use for 10 years. That is the definition of a smart investment for your heritage garden. Next, for those living in apartments or townhomes but still yearning for a source of clean food on-site, the Groundwork 3-tier vertical wooden planter. Look how smart it is. It takes up very little floor space but provides maximum vertical growing space. The installation of this pot is so quick that you only need less than 15 minutes to complete it. The wood is meticulously treated to resist rot, providing a rustic, durable beauty that no faux wood plastic can compare to. Imagine every morning you just need to open the balcony door, pick a few fresh herb leaves for your bowl of noodles or cup of tea. That feeling of self-sufficiency is incredibly liberating and satisfying. I have seen many people spend hundreds of dollars on complex high-tech plant systems only to abandon them later due to electronic component failures. Meanwhile, with this sustainable wooden and metal structure, you only need soil, water, and love. That is timeless simplicity. Have you ever harvested fresh vegetables from your own balcony? How did it feel at that moment? Share with me in the comments so we can spread this green lifestyle together. But wait, we have taken care of the house, taken care of the garden. So what about the most adventurous trips in the upcoming video? Have you fastened your seatbelts? You'd better, because we've finally arrived at the character I teased at the very start of this video, the Mini Jeep 125 cubic centimeters. This isn't just another item on the shelf. It is a certified legend at Tractor Supply, and today you're going to see exactly why it has earned that reputation. At first glance, it might look like a scaled-down novelty, but don't let that compact frame fool you. In this 2026 landscape where we are surrounded by sleek, whisper-quiet electric cars that require a specialized technician and a $3,000 circuit board replacement the moment a sensor glitched, this Jeep is a proud, roaring rebel. It represents a back-to-basics philosophy that is becoming increasingly rare. Under the hood, you won't find proprietary software or planned obsolescence. Instead, you get a pure 125 cubic centimeters internal combustion engine, reliable, punchy, and delightfully mechanical. 3-speed semi-automatic transmission, giving you the perfect balance of control and ease of use without the headache of a manual clutch. Solid steel chassis, a rugged heavy-duty frame built to withstand the bumps and bruises of real-world labor. The best part? You don't need a degree in computer science to keep it running. Everything on this machine can be maintained or repaired right in your driveway using nothing more than that DeWalt toolkit I introduced earlier in the video. I want to be crystal clear, this isn't some plastic power wheel meant for a driveway. This is the ultimate utility vehicle for your farm, your ranch, or your plot of land. Its potential for customization is essentially limitless. Just look at what we've done with this unit. We've bolted on a high-intensity LED light bar for night work, given it a custom camo paint job to blend into the brush, and installed a heavy-duty winch for those moments when the terrain gets tricky. This Jeep is built with a level of durability that defies modern throwaway culture. If you stay on top of basic maintenance, this isn't just a purchase for today, it's an heirloom. your son or even your grandson could still be using this exact machine to haul firewood or patrol the perimeter of the garden in the year 2040. That, my friends, is the true definition of buy it for life. It's an investment in a machine that works as hard as you do day after day, decade after decade. What kind of custom mods would you pull off first if you had this sitting in your garage? After struggling in the mud, let's head back to the garage to tackle a common pain, the mess of small parts. Have you ever gone crazy spending half an hour just to find a screw or a fuse? That's when the 10-bin storage cart from Iris USA comes into play. The crucial difference of this storage cart compared to the flimsy plastic shelves out there is the sealed locking system. The drawers have no gaps at the top, effectively preventing dust, metal shavings, or moisture, the #1 enemies that cause your tools to rust. In 2026, when living spaces become expensive, owning a smart mobile storage system with smooth wheels like this is a true liberation for the mind. It helps you work faster, more efficiently, and most importantly, you never have to repurchase things you already had but lost. And the last item on today's list, a price killer, but astonishingly durable, the River Ridge Home Collapsible Fabric Bin. Don't underestimate this canvas material. I have used it to store everything from heavy-duty protective clothing to the kids' sharp toys for the past 3 years without a single tear. At just over $10 for a set of 2, this is the best deal you can find for cleaning every nook and cranny in your home. Buy once, use forever, and when you no longer need it, you can just fold it up in a snap. You see, from a roaring machine to silent fabric bins, they all have one thing in common: they are born to serve you, not for you to serve or worry about them. We have gone through all 9 golden items of Tractor Supply, but don't rush to leave, because in the next section, I will summarize for you the most optimal shopping route to avoid wasting a single penny in 2026. So we have gone through the list of 9 masterpieces at Tractor Supply together, which I believe are still completely worth the money, even invaluable in 2026. You see, the secret of a savvy consumer is not to hunt for the cheapest item, but to seek out those with the highest value for each dollar spent. Our strategy is very simple. Prioritize original materials, real wood, steel sheets, animal leather. Repairability is #1. Choose items that you can take apart with a wrench instead of those that are glued shut. Invest in the system. A good tool set like DeWalt will protect other assets like your mini Jeep or home furnishings. Don't let flashy advertisements for new technology blind you. Sometimes the best things are found on the roughest shelves of a farm store. At this point, I would love to hear your thoughts. Among the 9 items above, which one makes you feel like you have to own it immediately? Or do you know another secret at Tractor Supply that I missed? Leave your comments below, and I will take the time to discuss with everyone. If you love practical content and aren't afraid to get your hands dirty to discover true values like this, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Don't forget to hit like if this video has helped you save a mistake in investment. Final note: this video is based on my personal experience and subjective assessment at the time of 2026. Prices and the condition of goods may vary depending on the region and store policies. All repair or vehicle operation activities should be carried out when you have sufficient expertise and safety equipment. Be a wise and responsible consumer. Thank you for accompanying me for the past 22 minutes. See you all in the next heritage hunting journey. And now I have to go get the mini Jeep and take it for a spin. Hello and victory.